Welcome to Coding with T, and I'm your host, Tiffany.
Hey Codies, quick disclaimer. From this point on, I'll be dropping videos every Monday and Wednesday at 3:30 Central Time, so stay tuned. In this video, we're going to build on top of our polymorphism program. In the description bio, I have included a link just in case you're not caught up. Get caught up. Now I'm going to change a few things because I want to demonstrate how to use the abstract class and methods. One of the things I want to point out is that abstract classes are special classes that are created solely as a base class for other classes to derive from. Also, they cannot be instantiated. Here's how we implement the abstract method. We type the word abstract followed by the method name. Next, we need to remove the body of our method because abstract methods does not have bodies. Just in case you've forgotten, this is how instantiation is done, but again, this method cannot be instantiated. I chose to abstract this method because we set annual fee to 0, and in reality, it's supposed to calculate the annual fee. So the logic behind this method doesn't really make much sense. At the same time, this method is needed so that other classes such as norm membership and VIP membership can access this method and actually calculate the annual fee. Now, under the word abstract, we have a red line. This is because in order for us to create an abstract method, our class must be abstract too. Therefore, we just need to use the keyword abstract in front of our public member class. Now we're going to head back over to our main class. And because our abstract class cannot be instantiated, we're going to change members to the norm membership class. In other words, we should not and cannot use members to access an abstract class or method. Now I'm just scanning through our child classes. And just note that we do not need to make any changes to our child classes. Everything was already implemented in the video before this one. Also, I've dropped that video in the description link below. Let's run our program. And voila, it works. Okay, Codies, we're going to end it here. If this video helped you out, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, hit that notification button, and also drop a comment and share the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.